Hello, welcome back to Think Digital. In this guide, let me walk you through how to save your work on Trello. For that, we will navigate to our Trello account, then we will go to any of our recent work, then go to your recent work, and as you can see on the surface, this is a menu bar option. Just click on the menu and you will see the print, export, and share option. So from print, export, and share, you can save your work. You can save them as a Excel or JSON, or you can also try for QR code. So we will go to print, export, and share. And as you can see, I can export it as a CSV file or I can export it as a JSON file. So JSON file is basically a code file. And then we can also have the QR code. So I'm going to just tap on export as CSV and then I'm going to show you what the file looks like. Here is my CSV file and it directly takes me to and the Excel file shows all the things that I have recorded in my Trello account. Like as you can see, I have some words that I am doing. So the list name is showing here. Now I'm going to cross this Excel file from here and I'm going to show you what the JSON file looks like. Here is my JSON file. I'm going to open it from my Office Word. And as you can see, this is a fully code and you can also take this file to save your work. That's it for today. This is how you can easily save any work from your Trello account or Trello workspace. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.